Crossbar Lightning. Fun game. Everyone can play it. So grab a group of your friends and go play. But before I show you how to play, let me tell you the order we went in so the video makes a little more sense. So at first, it was Alex in the dark green shirt. Then it was Andrew in the red shirt. Then it was Derek in the green Mexico jersey. Then it was Chris in the dark gray Adidas shirt. Then it was Joe in the blue Chelsea jersey. Then it was me in the salmon color Man United jersey. Now, here's how you play. For this game, only 2 soccer balls are being used. The goal is to hit the crossbar before the person behind you hits it. If the person behind you hits the crossbar before you, you are eliminated. Now, if you hit the crossbar before the person behind you hits it, you're safe and you just run to the back of the line. But everyone shoots from the 18-yard line. If you shoot and miss, you need to run for your ball, and then, and only then, you have a chance to shoot anywhere between the penalty spot and the 18-yard line. Last person standing wins. Let's go.
Jag. You're out. Jag. Yeah, from anywhere. From behind the PK. Oh! No. Jag! You're out, Alex. Oh! You have a chance. We have it! Take your time. Oh my god. Oh! He gave you the chance. You're out. Ready? Oh! Go, go, go! So if you get it, you don't have to run.
You know what? You're right.
So just get it.
And you're out.
It's simple. Oh!
You guys are coming all over here and get closer.
Yeah. Right here.
Oh!
You're out.
Oh my.
Run, bitch! Run! Come on. There it is! Oh, whoa! Made it!
Not out, right? Because he was before me?
Yeah, but you still gotta keep shooting.
You're on, Andrew.
Oh! There it is!
Ah! Get some water.
Out. No!
No, too easy, Derek.
You can save yourself, Andrew.
This is it. Come on, go, come on, bro. No, no.
Nope.
Just on me. This one. Yeah, over here. Ready?
Too much!
Ah! I got this way.
No!
Oh, come on, Andrew.
No!
Come on, bro, right here. This is it.
Relax. Breathe. No!
Oh my. How much?
Just make it before Derek and you're still in.
Here, bro. The one that likes just get
No!
porque le va al Cruz Azul.
Ooh, you guys are so close.
Come on, bro.
All right, Andrew, right here. Stay in the game. There it is.
Yeah! I got it,
Chris.
Let me get it. Right there. Ooh.
Nope.
This just makes it harder though. Because you gotta use your legs.
Oh, there it is. Joe, you're next.
Wait, yeah. It actually makes it harder because you gotta use your legs to come back. Ah! Wait, does he?
There it is.
I think you take him on it.
Yeah. It's okay. I'll take out Joe right now.
Oh, fuck! Come on, Chris.
Go, go. Yeah, stop complaining, Joe. Oh!
Get ready, buddy. I think so, wait. Oh, you keep going. Yeah, because you went before Joe.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. Or no, wait.
He was after me.
Oh, yeah.
No. He's out, no? Yeah, he's out.
Drew was the second to last one.
Oh,
So Chris is out.
Okay, yeah. Chris is out.
He
Well,
won?
now back in line.
Oh,
So you're after.
okay.
Dude, look. My legs go heavy.
Hey, watch out.
Mario, dude, that was so close.
Like 20 shots.
Oh! There it is.
It's kind of a lot of running. My legs are very cool.
Take a cardio.
First try.
Look at it.
I don't know why you do it so far.
You go for power.
There it is. There it is.
Joe's Chris.
Pull him up.
Oh, wait. I hate the running.
I should cut that out.
Right? Get out the way! Joe's out.
No, I'm not.
No?
He's about to get out right now.
It's because it was the second to last.
Oh!
That was very ready, bro.
Why am I doing that?
There it is, there it is.
Think about it, Anthony. Think about it.
No!
You got time, Joe. Hurry up.
Yo, Boise right here. This is you. There it is.
Come on.
Ain't no jogging.
Get him, get him, get him.
You got him.
Damn.
It's out.
So we're both up now?
Yep.
Joe's out.
So Alex goes first. As soon as you shoot it, you can shoot it.
No!
First try.
First try.
Yeah, like 2 foot.
Oh!
That touch.
Like now.
Ah.
Did you?
I saw it.
No! Calm. Breathe in, breathe out.
You missed, bro.
Woo! That was a good goal, though.
Banger, but
Right here, Andrew.
get that out.
Just get me, bro. Thank you. Can't go no more.
So between you two,
Joe's too.
Yeah.
Oh, Andrew too.
Yeah.
So I go, then Anthony, then Andrew.
Go ahead, Derek.
Get him in one. Get him in one.
Oh! I'm not gonna lie. I did 3 times. I go. So like, he might have to come down and everything. So we keep going? Or no?
Anthony.
Okay.
Angelo primero.
Fucking slid.
Ready?
Let's get it.
Come on, Buzzy.
Anthony, you have to shoot first.
If
No,
wait,
you got it.
no, because I made it. I got him out. If I make it, then
You have to go behind. Get it and go back to the 18.
but
Because you're going first.
I know. But let's say if I make it right now,
You get it and you go again.
you're good. So I keep going.
Yeah.
Because it's
So you
faster.
make it before he does.
Okay. Ow! Oh! Come on! Right here. Hot, tired. End it.
For the win.
Yes.
For the win.
Victories only.
Niels Bokage.
Newest Hokage. How many people did I take out? 3?
Like me,
2?
Andrew, Joe.
3?
took a half log.